Hello everyone, welcome to Granth Academy Ajmer. I'm Jitendra Vijayavargiya and today I've got a very interesting lesson for you all. Let me share an incident what happened yesterday. मेरा एक फ्रेंड 5 आइसक्रीम्स खा चुका था और फिर मैंने उससे पूछा Do you want more? He replied, No, I've had enough for the day. क्या कहा उसने? I've had enough for the day. You must have heard people saying, Have you had your lunch? Or I've had my lunch, I've had my dinner. So you must be wondering here, why have had, why has had, why can't I had? So the question is, can has had, have had be used together? The answer is yes, we can use them together. How? Let's take a look at some examples and then we'll try to understand the concept. Let's say I eat my lunch at 2 o'clock every day. I eat my lunch every day at 2 o'clock. So here, which tense I am using here? I have used present simple, present indefinite we also call it. So I eat, right? Now, मैं खाता हूं, मैं अपना lunch लेता हूं कितने बजे? 2 बजे. Now, instead of eat, I can use one more word here, and that is I have my lunch. Now, how have? हमने कई बार सुना है लेने के लिए हम have का भी यूज करते हैं, जैसे have water, have juice. I would like to have a glass of water. Have means लेना, तो मैं अपना lunch लेता हूँ या मैं खाता हूँ. So I have my lunch every day at 2 o'clock. That is also fine. So what I've done, I've replaced have and eat, means interchange. I can also use eat, I can also use have. Now let's get the continuous sense. Suppose I'm eating my lunch and my friend calls me up and he asks, what are you doing? और मैं reply करता हूँ, I'm eating my lunch, or I can say I'm having my lunch, because as we have seen, we can use have in place of eat. So I'm having my lunch in the continuous sense. So I'm having and I'm eating, right? Now, let's get into the sense of present perfect. Suppose I have finished my food, I have finished my lunch, and then if I'm telling somebody, I have eaten my lunch. What I'm saying, I have eaten, because here in present perfect tense we have already studied that with has have here we are having supportive verbs, and eat is the main verb, and we'll have past participle. In short, we call it third form, past participle form of eat, and that is eaten. So I have eaten my lunch, right? In the same way, if I am using have here, so I have. Now have is here helping verb for the present perfect tense, right? Now I have. Next, I have to use have in the sense of having, in the sense of eating, So the third form, past participle form of have would be had. So I have had my lunch. वापस से देखिए, मैंने खाना खा लिया है. I have eaten, right? Now have here is the helping verb, supportive verb, and eaten is the main verb. Same way, अगर मैं यहाँ पे eat को main verb की जगह मैं have main verb यूज करना चाहूँ, तो मेरे पास have already helping verb है. So I have, अब now have के साथ में third form आएगा, तो have जो मेरा main verb उसका third form had हो जाएगा. So I have had my lunch. So this is how we can understand that how have had, and if the subject is singular, let's say she has eaten her lunch, yes, she has had her lunch. So has had, have had can be used together. But remember, in the original sense, have means to possess. To possess something means that shows the ownership. Like for example, I have a mobile. So here have means having the possession over it. Like I have a pen. Most of the people, I have heard some people saying, I'm having a pen. This is incorrect. Mind it, this is incorrect. So please correct yourself if you have been using have in the ing form in the sense of possession. No, it can never be used that ways. I have a pen, it's okay, it's correct. I'm having a pen, it's incorrect. Like I have a chocolate in my pocket. That's correct. But if I say I'm having a chocolate in my pocket, that is incorrect. Because I'm having a chocolate means, as we have studied, I'm having my lunch means having comes, have plus ing comes in the sense of eating when I'm chewing it, right? So if I'm having that, if it means I'm biting it, I'm eating the chocolate. In that sense only I can say that I'm having a chocolate. But if I want to say possession कि मेरे पास है, अगर मैं मुझे कहना है कि मेरे पॉकेट में चॉकलेट है, I will never say I'm having a chocolate in my pocket. No, I would say I have a chocolate in my pocket. I hope this concept is clear. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's talk about present perfect continuous tense. As we all know that present perfect continuous tense means that shows some event, something started in past and which is still continuing. Let's say I have been having a headache since early morning. What I'm saying? I've been having a headache since early morning. Is the sentence correct? कि भाई मुझे सुबह से सर दर्द हो रहा है. अब जहां भी हमारे पास आता है टाइम पीरियड के साथ में, नो, तो दैट इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस. सुबह से सर दर्द हो रहा है. But as we have studied today in this lecture that have plus ing can never be used in this particular sense, so technically this sentence is incorrect. The correct sentence would be I have had a headache since early morning. Let's look at one more example. We have been having this car for 4 years. Again, incorrect. The correct sentence would be we have had this car for 4 years. So I hope you have understood the concept that have plus ing goes only when we talk about in the sense of eating. But when we use have in the real actual meaning, actual sense, and that is to possess, to have something, in that condition have never goes in the ing form. So I hope you have enjoyed the session, but before leaving, before saying bye bye, I am giving you 4 sentences जो आपको ट्रांसलेट करके कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे बताना है क्या आपने सेंटेंस उसको ट्रांसलेट किया, कैसे बनाया, एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली रिप्लाई कि आपने सही बनाया या गलत. उसके पास वह टीवी 5 सालों से है. सेकेंड सेंटेंस, उसे 2 सालों से डायबिटीज है. थर्ड सेंटेंस, अभी तक मेरा दिन बहुत बिजी रहा है. द लास्ट वन, इस महीने उसने कॉलेज में अब तक 4 मीटिंग्स की हैं. सो गाइस, आई होप यू एंजॉयड वाचिंग इट. बहुत जल्दी मिलते हैं नए टॉपिक के साथ. जो भी आपको सेशन जिस भी टॉपिक पे चाहिए प्लीज कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे बता दीजिए. कमेंट बॉक्स आपका है. टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय.